Looking for a kitchen upgrade? The best vegetable cutter board makes chopping faster, safer, and more efficient. Crafted for durability and ease, it turns meal prep into a breeze. Perfect for every home chef seeking convenience and quality. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Socisen Vegetable Cutter Board. The Socisen Vegetable Cutter Board is a true marvel for any kitchen enthusiast looking to elevate their meal prep game. Crafted with FSC-certified bamboo, it emphasizes both sustainability and quality. One of the standout features is its non-slip design. Rubber feet at the base ensure the board stays securely in place, allowing for safe chopping even when handling large or slippery vegetables. Beyond stability, the board reflects exceptional craftsmanship with carefully rounded edges for a comfortable grip and a perfectly flat surface that resists warping over time. Its 5-layer thickened construction makes it twice as robust as standard boards, providing unmatched durability that can withstand daily use without cracking. Each board is meticulously hand-sanded and treated with food-grade mineral oil, ensuring a smooth, knife-friendly surface that protects blades and extends their lifespan. The Socisen board is versatile, with ample space to handle vegetables, fruits, and even meats, making it a multifunctional addition to any kitchen. It is not just practical but also aesthetically pleasing, showcasing the natural beauty of bamboo grain, which adds an elegant, organic touch to countertops. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook, this board simplifies prep work while providing a safe and hygienic cutting experience. Its thoughtful design makes it ideal for gifting, as the elegant packaging and durable construction speak volumes about its quality. In short, the Socisen Vegetable Cutter Board is a blend of functionality, durability, and style that meets the demands of modern cooking. Number 2. Greener Chef Vegetable Cutter Board. The Greener Chef Vegetable Cutter Board is designed for serious cooking enthusiasts who need ample space and superior performance in the kitchen. Measuring a massive 30 by 20 inches, this board provides an expansive surface for preparing family-sized meals, from chopping vegetables to carving large meats like brisket or turkey. Its impressive size minimizes the need for multiple transfers, making meal prep more efficient and organized. Crafted from FSC-certified organic bamboo, it offers a non-toxic, environmentally friendly alternative to plastic boards while maintaining durability and elegance. A unique feature of this product is its dual functionality. It can serve as a cutting board and stovetop cover, instantly transforming unused spaces into additional prep areas, a perfect solution for small kitchens, RVs, or apartments. Beyond practical use, it doubles as a massive charcuterie and serving board, ideal for presenting meats, cheeses, and fruits at parties or family gatherings. The Greener Chef board is built to last, resisting knife marks and moisture, and comes with a lifetime replacement warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in its craftsmanship. Its smooth surface protects knives from dulling, while the bamboo's natural antimicrobial properties promote hygiene. Whether hosting an event or prepping daily meals, this cutting board provides both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The Greener Chef Vegetable Cutter Board is a thoughtful investment, combining eco-conscious design, practicality, and durability, making it a top choice for families, entertainers, and dedicated home cooks who demand space, quality, and reliability. Number 3. Musifan Vegetable Cutter Board. The Musifan Vegetable Cutter Board is a highly durable, practical option for those who value both hygiene and efficiency in the kitchen. Crafted from solid acacia wood, the board boasts high hardness, ensuring longevity, and a robust cutting surface. The natural wood is treated with oil and carefully dried, providing a clean, smooth surface that is gentle on knives while reducing dulling over time. Its simple, polished design not only enhances its visual appeal, but also makes cleaning effortless, minimizing bacteria or grime accumulation. The board is large and stable, ensuring it remains steady on countertops, which is essential when handling heavy chopping tasks. One of its unique features is the built-in juice tank, which collects excess liquid from fruits, vegetables, or meats, preventing spills and maintaining a tidy workspace. This thoughtful addition improves hygiene while reducing waste and ensures your preparation area stays organized. Musifan emphasizes natural materials with delicate, vivid textures that add a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The board is versatile, suitable for cutting vegetables, slicing cooked or raw foods, and even serving dishes during gatherings. Its combination of durability, hygiene, and thoughtful design makes it an excellent choice for households concerned with health and safety. The Musifan vegetable cutter board exemplifies how a simple tool can elevate everyday kitchen tasks, offering a seamless blend of practicality, style, and long-lasting performance. For home chefs seeking a reliable, beautiful, and easy-to-clean board, Musifan delivers an outstanding solution. Number 4. KORVOS Vegetable Cutter Board. The KORVOS Vegetable Cutter Board is a premium choice for chefs who need a high-performing, multi-functional cutting surface. Made using a special hexagonal honeycomb technology, this board offers enhanced non-slip and scratch-resistant properties, providing a stable, durable surface for any chopping task. Unlike standard stainless steel boards, KORVOS' innovative design prevents bending and protects knives from damage, making it ideal for heavy-duty kitchen work. It is multifunctional, featuring a foldable edge that prevents juices from spilling while chopping, which is perfect for fruits, vegetables, and meats. This board is also strong enough to double as a stove cover, providing extra workspace and storage convenience. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it is safe for food contact and resistant to rust, scratches, and deformation over time, ensuring longevity and hygiene. Its generous 23.62 x 19.68-inch size gives cooks plenty of space to prepare meals efficiently, while the easy-to-clean surface allows for quick rinsing or wiping, saving time in busy kitchens. KORVOS combines practicality with high-grade materials, delivering a cutting board that is not only functional but also durable and elegant. It is ideal for those who value safety, efficiency, and versatility, whether preparing daily meals or handling large gatherings. With a KORVOS vegetable cutter board, chefs enjoy a professional quality surface that enhances meal prep, maintains cleanliness, and protects their knives, all while providing a stable and reliable tool in any kitchen environment. Number 5. OrganizeMee Vegetable Cutter Board. The OrganizeMee Vegetable Cutter Board is a standout option for anyone needing a large, functional, and hygienic surface for meal preparation. Its impressive 32.79 x 23.62-inch size provides ample space for chopping, slicing, dicing, and rolling dough, accommodating both everyday cooking and larger-scale meal prep. The board includes a stainless steel rolling pin, a thoughtful addition that allows users to roll out pastries or dough without creating extra mess, demonstrating attention to practical kitchen needs. Its non-porous surface prevents bacteria and odors from being absorbed, making it one of the most hygienic cutting boards available. This quality is essential for maintaining food safety while prepping various ingredients. Beyond function, the OrganizeMee board features an elegant metallic finish that adds modern sophistication to any kitchen decor, balancing practicality with aesthetic appeal. The board is built with OrganizeMee's commitment to quality, ensuring durability and longevity. Its surface is easy to clean and maintain, making it suitable for busy home cooks and professional chefs alike. Whether preparing vegetables, meats, or baked goods, this board's generous workspace and practical features reduce mess and improve efficiency. The combination of size, hygiene, and thoughtful accessories makes the OrganizeMee Vegetable Cutter Board a versatile kitchen companion. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.